Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna rolls at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including fresh sushi-grade tuna, nori, and sushi rice. Next, prepare your sushi rice by seasoning it properly. Finally, carefully slice your tuna into thin, even strips, about 1/4 inch thick, which will make rolling much easier. Now let's assemble your rolls. Lay a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of prepared sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small border. Then, place your tuna strips and any additional fillings like cucumber or avocado along the edge closest to you. Don't overfill the roll. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. And speaking of easy, once you've mastered these tuna rolls, you'll want to store your leftovers or meal prep future meals. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your ingredients in place, use the bamboo mat to carefully and tightly roll the nori, rice, and fillings. Apply gentle, even pressure as you roll to create a firm cylinder. Once rolled, moisten a very sharp knife with water to prevent sticking. Then, slice the roll into 6 to 8 equal-sized pieces. Serve immediately with your favorite condiments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.